May I welcome you all to this class of English language. Good morning. Today let us learn self-study exercise 5 on page 86. Self-study exercise on page 86. Filling the blanks with appropriate preposition. Number 1. An industrialist has set up a factory in this village. Set up means to establish. Set up means to establish. Second, let us set aside all formalities. Set aside means put on one side or to keep away. So let us keep away all formalities. Number 3, my sister and I take after our father. Take after. Take after means to resemble. R-E-S-E-M-B-L-E. To resemble, especially a parent or a relation. Number 4, a new secretary will take over the charge. Take over means succeed to the management. Succeed to, take over the charge. 5. When she heard the news of her aunt's death, she broke down. Here, broke down means burst into tears or started crying badly. Broke down. 6. After a quarrel, Jessie broke up with Tom. Here, broke up means come to an end. Maybe a relation or stop. So broke up with Tom. That means stopped the relation or came to an end of relation. 7. Do you have any complaint against him? Number 8. My mother has been complaining of a nagging headache. So 7. Complained against and 8. Complaining of. 9. They did away with the old custom. Did away. Did away or do away means to abolish or to get rid of. 10. I cannot do without the help of my assistant. Do without means manage without. I cannot do without. That means manage without. 11. The Prime Minister gave away the prizes at the function. Gave away means distributed. 12. He gave up smoking. Gave up means abandoned, left, deserted. 13. She could hardly keep in her indignation. Here keep in means to restrain, to control. 14. Keep on trying hard until you succeed. Keep on means to continue. 15. A dacoit entered the bank and asked the cashier to hand over the money. To hand over means to give. 16. You have to hand the project in. Hand in at 8:30 tomorrow morning. Your hand in means to submit. We submit the project, so hand in. 17. We should not look down upon the poor. Look down upon means to despise, D-E-S-P-I-S-E, or to consider oneself superior to. So we should not look down upon the poor. 18. He is looking for a job. Looking for means searching for, trying to find out. 19. I can't put this work off any longer. Put off or develop. Put off means to postpone. P-O-S-T-P-O-N-E. 20. She put out the lamp before going to bed. Put out means to extinguish. E-X-T-I-N-G-U-I-S-H. To extinguish or cause to stop burning. C-A-U-S-E, cause to stop burning. So put out the lamp. Let us go ahead to question number 3a on page 88. Example is already there. Number 1. It is appreciable of him to resolve all the issues. We are to begin with how appreciable. So begin how appreciable of him to receive all the issues. How appreciable of him to resolve all the issues. Second, my friend showed me his collection of ancient coins. So we are to begin with I. Look at the sentence. Here there are two objects. One is me and another his collection of ancient coins. So we begin with me. So me is changed into I. So begin. I was shown his collection of ancient coins by my friend. Again, I was shown his collection of ancient coins by my friend. 3. The scene was so horrifying that it could not be seen. So we are to use too. The scene was too horrifying for me to see. Once again, the scene was too horrifying for me to see. S-E-E-C. 4a. Many people die in India because of road accidents. So begin. Road accidents. So answer. Road accidents cause C-A-U-S-E the death of many people in India. Again, road accidents cause the death of many people in India. 5a. Suresh was a lawyer. He was also a politician. We are to begin besides. So begin besides being, B-E-I-N-G, besides being a lawyer, comma, Suresh was a politician. Again, besides being a lawyer, comma, Suresh was a politician. 6a. David Copperfield is the best book I have ever read. Look at this. It is in the superlative degree. So superlative can be changed back to comparative or positive. Here the instruction is no other book That means positive degree. So the answer, no other book I have ever read. No other book I have ever read is as good as David Copperfield. Once again, no other book I have ever read is as good as David Copperfield. 7a. Anna has not gone for a swim for 5 years. So this we are to begin with the last time. So the answer is the last time Anna went for or had gone, alright, a swim was 5 years ago. Once again, the last time Anna went for or had gone for a swim was 5 years ago. Number 8a. Unless we hurry, we shall miss the train. So we must hurry. So we must hurry so that we shall not miss the train. Once again, we must hurry so that we shall not miss the train. Number 9. It's a pity you punished him. So begin, I wish. So the answer, I wish you had not punished him. I wish you had not punished him. Number 10. The train journey from Delhi to Kochi takes 2 days. We have to begin with it is. So the answer, it is a 2 days train journey. It is a 2 days train journey from Delhi to Kochi. Once again, it is a 2 days train journey from Delhi to Kochi. B and C exercise we will do in the next class. Till then, please go through this, and if you have any queries, you are free to ask me. Thank you.